Alright, we got the Bilstein 5100 steering stabilizer. Made in USA, that's what I'm talking about. It's going to be an easy install. This is all you need is two 18mm wrenches, two bolts. That's what's holding it on there, and that's it. Let's get into the Jeep and start this. This Jeep already has the relocating bracket on it that moves it from down here to up here. I'm guessing it's rough country because that's what this has on it. 4-inch lift. Slowly getting it right. See, it's got the cheap one with the drop pitman arm. We'll go high steer and all that eventually. We're slowly changing stuff over. Pretty much got this Bilstein just because it looks cooler, I guess. Not really expecting any difference. It Jeep steers pretty good. Get a little bit of wobble around 40, but you know, you're not buying this to fix that. It's if you've gotten wobble problems and things like that, you got your steering is worn out, and don't expect this to be a fix all for that. It might band-aid it a little bit, but I'm just doing it for cosmetic right now. But you got two bolts, one here, 18mm, on there, 18mm. Already loosened them up. Pull it up and off, that stud there. Yeah, the bushings are a little cracked. This is the original steering stabilizer here. Little Mopar emblem there. Get the new Bilstein up in there. Turn this. That should work. Compress the, let me get this nut off of here. Compress this. I'll push the bolts up in there. There we go. Put your nuts back on. Tighten these up. Alright, we got 2 bolts back in, all tightened up. That's it. Better than this old thing. I'm sure this is probably not working as good as it once did. But yeah, super easy install. Took me longer to find the 18mm sockets and wrench than it did to install it.